Hello, dear students. How are you? I hope you are fine. And what class is this? This is GK class. And in the last session, we saw living and non-living things, right? Do you remember? I hope you are clear. Okay, now let's revise living and non-living things. Then we'll learn natural and man-made things. Okay? Okay, what's mean by living things? What does a living thing need? I told you in the last class, no? Do you remember? What does a living thing need? A living things need food, air, and water to grow. Okay, but non-living things do not need food, air, and water to grow. For example, a dog. A dog needs food, air, and water to grow and to live, right? And we also need food, air, and water to grow. Okay, now let me ask you a question. Okay, you have to say whether that's living or non-living thing. Okay, first one, river. River is a living thing or non-living thing? Very good. River is a non-living thing. Okay, because river will not eat, river will not drink. Yes. And the second one, cow. Cow is a living thing or non-living thing? It is a living thing. Yes, cow needs food, air and water to live. I hope you are clear now. Now let's watch a video on living and non-living thing. Then let's see natural and man-made things. Okay. Differences between living and non-living things. Raju, Pinky and Chintu are on their way to school. On their way, they decided to stop at Riya's house. There, Pinky sees Riya sitting near a newly born calf. Pinky is very excited to see the calf. She goes ahead and gently touches the calf. She feels the up and down movements of the chest muscles of the calf and tells Chintu that she can feel its breathing movement. Listening to this, Chintu tells Pinky that breathing is one of the characteristics of living things, while non-living things do not breathe. On hearing this, Pinky asks Chintu to tell her more about living and non-living things. Living things need food and water, while non-living things do not need. Living things can grow. Non-living things cannot grow. Living things can move. Non-living things cannot move. Living things can feel, and non-living things cannot feel anything. Living things can reproduce. Non-living things cannot. And lastly, living things die. Non-living things do not die. So now let's start today's topic. Okay, today's topic is natural and man-made things. Now let's see what's natural and man-made things. Dear students, now I'll ask you a question. You have to say either yes or no. Look at this picture. What is this? A mountain. Very good. This is a mountain. Now tell me, can we make a mountain? Can we make a mountain? No, we cannot make a mountain. It is already present in this world, right? It is already present in this world. No one can make mountain. It is a gift of God. Now look at this picture. A tree, right? This is a tree. Now tell me, can we make a tree? Is it possible to make a tree? No, we can just plant saplings, right? We can just plant saplings and pour water, but we cannot make a tree. And more trees makes forest, right? More trees makes forest. We cannot make a tree. We can just help them by pouring water. And you all know what is this, right? What is this? This is a sun. Yes, this is a sun. Can we make a sun? Can we make a sun out of any material like paper, cardboard and place it in the sky? Is it possible? No, we cannot do that. Sun is already present in this world. Yeah, same like that. Stars and moon is also already present. And also different kinds of birds and different kinds of animals, clouds and sea, river, fruits, flowers and rain. So the things which are already present in this world are called natural things. Okay, these are already present here, right? So the things which we cannot make, the things which is already present in this world are called natural things. And the natural things can be both living and non-living things. We get different kinds of natural things, but these natural things cannot be used by man directly, isn't it? So can we get a dress from a plant? Is it possible? No, we cannot. Is it possible to get table, chair from nature? No, it is impossible, right? So we have to bring some kind of changes with the natural things we get from nature. With the natural thing clay, we can make earthen pots, flower pots, vessels, and with cotton we can make clothes. With fruits we can make jams, juices, and with iron we can make machines. And we can save the water by building dams on the river. And with wood we can make different kinds of furniture. So these things are called man-made things because it is made by man, right? It is made by us. So this is called man-made things. I hope you are clear now. To make you understand better, I have taken a lemon. So you know this is a lemon. So now tell me, from where do we get lemon? We get lemon from the lemon tree, right? We get lemon from the lemon tree. So I told you, no, tree is a natural thing. So of course lemon is also a natural thing. Now I'm going to prepare a lemon juice. So I'm squeezing the lemon and taking out the juice. And the juice is getting mixed with the water. So after that, what do I get? I get lemon juice, right? I get lemon juice. So lemon is a natural thing and juice is a man-made thing. Why? Because I am making the juice. I am preparing the juice, right? So lemon is a natural thing and juice is a man-made thing. Don't forget that lemon is a natural thing and juice is a man-made thing. Students, now take GK book. Take page number 7 and write today's date. What's today's date? 14/8/2020. And what is the lesson name? How can I make nature my friend? How can I make nature my friend? If you're friendly with the nature, nature will become your friend. Okay? By the end of this lesson, you will know how to make nature your friend. Now let's write the names under the pictures and tick which man can make or build. So here they have given 9 pictures, okay? 9 pictures of natural and man-made things. So what you have to do is you have to look at the picture and write the answer. You have to write the names, and after that if it is made by man, then you should tick the picture. Okay, if it is made by man, you should tick the picture. If it is natural, you should not tick. Understood? Now let's write. Children, now look at the first picture. What is this? Building. What is this? Building. And now tell me, building is a natural or man-made thing? It is a man-made thing, right? Yes. So in the first dash, write building. B-U-I-L-D-I-N-G. Building. What's the first one? Building. So I told you, no, if it is made by man, we should tick. So tick the picture. Okay. Write in the first dash and tick the picture. Now look at the second picture. What is this? River. Yes, what is this? River. River is a natural or man-made. It is a natural thing. So no need to tick. So in the second dash, write river. R-I-V-E-R. River. Now shall we write third one? Look at the third picture. What is this? Car. What is this? Car. Car is a natural or man-made thing. It is a man-made thing. So in third dash, write car. C-A-R. Car. Car is a natural or man-made thing. It is a man-made thing. So what you must do? You should tick the picture. Now let's write fourth one. What's the fourth one? Factory. What's the fourth one? Factory. Factory is a man-made or natural thing. It is a man-made thing. Yes, it is built by man. So here in this dash, write factory, and what you must do? You must tick the picture. Fourth one, factory. F-A-C-T-O-R-Y. Factory. Factory. Write factory and tick the picture. Now let's write the next one. What is this? See properly. What is this? Forest. What is this? Forest. So forest is a natural or man-made thing. It is a natural thing. So now write forest. F-O-R-E-S-T. Forest. Now look at the next picture. What is this? Yeah, it's raining. No, it's rain. So it's natural or man-made thing. It is a natural, right? So in the next dash, write rain. R-A-I-N. Rain. Look at the next picture. There are different kinds of drinks, right? What kind of drink is that? Is that fruit juice? No, it is soft drinks, right? So now write soft drinks. Soft drinks is a man-made or natural? It is a man-made drink, right? So in the next dash, write soft drinks. S-O-F-T. Soft drink. D-R-I-N-K. Drink. Soft drink. So what we must do here? We should tick the picture. Now look at the next picture. What is that? We can see different kinds of animals, no? So animal is a natural or man-made thing. It is a natural thing. Yes, in the next dash, write animals. A-N-I-M-A-L-S. Animals. What is the last one? Toys. Yes, what's the last one? Toys. So in the last dash, write toys. 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 Now we should tick the picture. Next, what do you understand? Pictures that do not get tick or nature. So we mark tick for some pictures, right? And the pictures which didn't get tick mark or natural things. Okay? River, forest, rain, animals, these are natural things. What do nature give us? So nature gives us so many things, right? Mountains and forests gives us air, food and herbal medicine. So if we grow more trees, we'll get pure air, right? We get pure air and we get food and herbal medicines. We get herbal medicines, natural medicines we'll get from forest and rivers and rain. What do we get from that? We get water. So nature gives us so many things. I hope you are clear with natural and man-made things, right? And that's all for today. And today's homework is you have to copy these words in your GK book. Okay? Bye. Take care.